Hi students, let us continue our topic properties of triangles. Now one more important question here, that is if in triangle ABC, everything is in triangle ABC in this chapter, if R1 equals to 8, R2 equals to 12, R3 equals to 24, then we can finding ABC values. Okay. Now here also applying the formulas of R1, R2, R3 definitely. Okay. Because of there is no separate formulas for A and B and C. You can forming formulas here like this. Okay. Let okay. Let here first of all R equals to delta by S. There is no R value, but actually we can finding R value by taking R1, R2, R3. Now here R1 equals to delta by S minus A. Already we know about this. Okay. Then R2 equals to delta by S minus B. Similarly R3 equals to delta by S minus C. Okay. Now they are not given R value. That's why we can finding the R value by taking the by given values R1, R2, R3. Now it is also one of the formula 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay. Now from R value, then we will get delta and S value. We need delta and S values also. By using these formulas, actually we have number of formulas for delta S or no. But here we can by using R1, R2, R3 values. Delta square equals to R1, R2, R3. Okay. Now it is one of the formula. From delta and small r, then we will get small s value. Because of for s value, actually s equals what? A plus b plus c by 2. But actually we can finding the ABC values. There is no ABC values. That's why we can taking this formula delta by s equals to r. From this s equals to delta by r. Okay. Let by using these formulas we can finding the values. Let first of all 1 by r equals to 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3. Then 1 by r equals to 1 by r1 equals to what? 1 by 8, 1 by 12, 1 by 24. Yes or no? Okay. Let here LCM is a 24. Now 8 3s are 3 plus and 12 2s are 2 plus 24 here same equal. So that's why here 1. Now 6 by 24, 6 1s are 6 4s are 1 by 4. Okay. Then 1 by r equals to 1 by 4. Then r equals to 4. We got 4. Now delta square, using delta square. Now delta square equals to R1, R2, R3, remember. Okay. R1. Now this is the formula. Now highlight the formulas like this and also values. Then R is nothing but 4 into R1 is a 12 into R2 is a 12, sorry. R is a 4, R1 is a 8, now it is a 12, R3 is a 20. Okay. Now it is a delta square. Now we need delta. Delta means under root, yes or no? So first of all, now we can writing like this 4 into 2. Now here 12 is a 2 into 6. Now here 2 into 12. Okay. Or write like this 12, already 12 is there. 12 into 2. That's enough. Okay. Because of then delta equals to square root of these values. Yes or no? Now write for 2 2s, 2 4s, 1 4. For 2 2s, 1 2. For 2 12s, at 1 12. Okay. Because of it is a delta. Square root of this value. Okay. Yes or no? Now delta equals to 4 into 2 8. 8 12s are 96. Okay. This is a delta value. Now S value. How to get S? Okay. By taking the formula R equals to delta by S, we need small s then S equals to delta by R, yes or no? Okay, then delta is nothing but 96, R is nothing but 4, then 4 2s are 4s are 24, then S equals to 20. Okay, S equals to 24 by using R equals delta by S value. We can form S equals delta by R, and S is over. By using S value, we can finding these values. Let now actual values are, we need actually ABC, yes or no? For ABC, we can finding R and delta and S. Let R1 equals to delta by S minus A. Actually, we need A, yes or no? So, forming A formula from this, okay, then S minus A equals to delta by R1, yes, then A equals to what? A equals to delta by R1, bring this side, minus A, bring that side A, it is a plus A, then S minus delta by R1, okay. Of course, it is nothing but for A formula, okay. Similarly, we can writing for B, S minus delta by R2, for C, S minus delta by R3, okay. Then A equals to S is nothing but 24 minus delta is nothing but 96 by R1 is a 8, then cancellation, 8 1s are 8 12s are 24 minus 12 equals to 12, okay. 24 8 12s are 24 minus 12 is a 12. A equals to what? Okay. Now B equals to what? Similarly, here write similarly B equals to S minus delta by R2, yes or no? Then B equals to S minus 24 minus 96 by, it is a 12 8 is a 24 minus 8, 24 minus 8 equals what? 16, yes or no? Okay, then B equals to 16, okay. Now last one, C equals also S minus delta by R3, yes or no? S minus delta by R3, it is a value, B value from this same again. Now S is nothing but 24 minus delta is nothing but 96 by R3 is a 24, 24 4s are, yes or no? Now 24 minus 4 is a 20, okay. Then C equals to 20, okay. Now these are the values actually we need, A, B, C values. Now we can form A equals S minus delta by R1. Similarly, we can write B equals S minus delta by R2, S minus delta by R3, okay. At the first we need the values of S and delta. How to get these values? By using R equals delta by S. How to get R value? By given R1 and R2 and R3, 1 by R equals to this formula, okay. Now everything is linked, okay. That's why using these formulas. Everything is depending on formula, okay. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.